It's the people that show up in the home. Not to take anything away from the folks in customer service, but the people that show up in your home showing so much care for the work they do and how you are interacting with them and what you are perceiving. They're putting their best foot forward all the time. I asked to have someone come look at my home in the context of perhaps putting in a powered attic fan. And the gentleman who came out was experienced enough and concerned enough about my budget to say that it probably wasn't the best idea for my particular situation. And instead of ringing the cash register in the face of a less than fully informed client, you walked away with no sale. And that impressed me. I'd like to think about it as a relationship, and we've got a great relationship. You folks know I'm here. There have been times where you've checked in on me to see how things are going, and that's great. And if I know that if I have a problem, I can call. What really impressed me the most was my experience back in January of 2019, where it was necessary to replace all of the mechanicals in the home all in one day. Cardinal was in. I had two Cardinal techs in, one to check the furnace and one to check on my water softener. And we found that all my mechanicals were in need of replacement. And by the end of the day, all of them had been replaced. Before that, it was the salesmanship. I was presented with good options for what was available. There were discounts available that were offered and accepted, and I was thrilled with the service and the value that they brought. It's good product backed by a bunch of good humans, and that's just good value to me. Since then, anytime I've had the opportunity to hire Cardinal, I have. One, to make sure that I was hooked up with Ethernet during pandemic, and that went fabulously. And most recently, I had my ducts cleaned, which was, I thought, a great value. The outcome of that has been much less dust in the home, and I'd recommend it. But all in all, with Cardinal, what I find is that I get really good value for money. With every human being that has ever been in my home with a Cardinal shirt on has been just awesome. It's just been a fabulous experience.